Hi guys, so welcome back with another how-to video. So the product we're going to demonstrate this time is our Citrus Wash. So Citrus Wash is an APC, or an all-purpose cleaner. Basically means it's a product that can be used on a variety of different surfaces on the vehicle. So its primary use is removing things like road traffic film, things like bugs in summer as well, and for cleaning things like under arches, engine bays, door shuts. There's a lot of different areas that you can use this product in. This is dilutable, so it comes neat. You can dilute it at various different degrees of dilution depending on what your needs are. So for example, for exterior use on removing road traffic film, we usually use it around about 30:1. If you want to go stronger for engine bays, you can go up to sort of 8:1. In summer, when you've just got a light layer of dust, you can use it as high as 100:1. Obviously, it's most effective at around about 30:1. It can be applied through the supplied trigger and model. You can apply it through a pump sprayer. You can even apply it through a snow foam lance. If you apply it through a lance, you will use more product because obviously you're diluting it with fresh water from the pressure washer. So the way we're going to do it today is through the standard supplied bottle. So as you can see on the vehicle, we've got a lot of dirt, debris, road traffic film, all sort of stuff that you tend to pick up over winter. So next now I'm going to come in and give you a quick demonstration of how Citrus works. Okay, so he's going to start by spraying it onto the affected areas. Now, Citrus is a product that it'll cling to the surface, it'll start to work. You can leave it on in sort of cooler conditions, sort of anything up to sort of 5 to 10 minutes. It's not going to cause any issues if it does dry, but we would recommend removing it fairly swiftly from unpainted plastics, especially if you're using it at a highly concentrated dilution. So when you're diluting citrus, as long as you can see some evidence of bubbles when you're applying it to the surface, that means you've got enough active product to actually use. Okay, so just let that dwell for a few minutes and then come back and rinse it off. Okay, so the citrus has now been drying on there for a few minutes. So next now I'm going to come in and start rinsing. So he's going to start from the bottom and work his way across. Okay, so the reason that we've rinsed from the bottom and worked our way up to the top is so that we're using the product in conjunction with the pressure washer. If we rinse from the top down, what tends to happen is the water as it flows down the panel will remove a lot of the product. So we want to make sure that we're getting the maximum effect out of the product and the pressure washer combined. Continue to rinse. Okay, so as you can see, by using the citrus as a pre-wash, we've removed a lot of that loose debris that then makes the job easy for the next part of the pre-wash process, which is the snow foam. So if we didn't remove that prior to applying the snow foam's job would be much more difficult, and you would stand more chance of having contamination still left on the paintwork when we start the physical wash process. Okay, so we've just done one section down the middle just to show you how effective Citrus Wash is at removing all that debris from the rear of the vehicle. So now Nick's going to continue and rinse the rest. Okay, so because citrus is classed as an all-purpose cleaner, it can also be used on rubber surfaces as well. So next now I'm going to demonstrate use of citrus wash to clean the sidewalls on the tyres. So it's important to do this before applying a tyre dressing to ensure that the dressing is going to stick to a clean surface, maximises the durability of the dressing, and also make sure that the tyre is completely clean prior to applying a dressing to the sidewall. So as you can see, it's foaming up nicely, and as it's foaming up, it's revealing the brown sort of staining that's coming from the sidewall. So that is all dirt that's actually bonded to the side of the tyre. So the sidewall of the tyre is going to be as dirty as the wheel was prior to cleaning. So it's an important step to do. You can also do this with your wheel cleaner, as if you watch the Bright Gel video, you will see. If the sidewall of the tyre is severely dirty, you may wish to use a harder, sort of like a stiff brush, but for this purpose we're using a DBS brush. Okay, so it's now cleaned the sidewall, so all that's left to do is give it a thorough rinse. Okay, so what next now going to do is show you citrus wash application for cleaning out a wheel arch. So the rear arches on this vehicle are carpet lined, which means they will hold a lot of dirt and debris. So next now I'm going to use the citrus to clean those. Citrus wash can also be used for cleaning the inside of door shuts and any rubber seals, as next now going to demonstrate. So this is an area particular to sort of Land Rovers and Range Rovers where they do accumulate quite a lot of dirt and debris. Citrus is perfect for cleaning the rubbers and also cleaning the painted surfaces as well. Now to rinse this, we've actually reduced the pressure on our pressure washer, which gives us a slightly less aggressive amount of water. If you've not got access to a pressure washer with adjustable pressure, you can just use an open hose. Okay, so citrus can also be used on those really greasy or dirty under bonnet areas as well. So engine bays and inner wings, underneath the bonnet, any area where you're going to get a lot of dirt and debris under the bonnet as well. I'm next going to apply it directly to the brush. I'm going to agitate the dirty area. Okay, so next going to wipe this area clean with a clean microfiber towel. We could rinse this off with water, but we don't want to wet the soundproofing on the underside of the bonnet, so we're just going to wipe this off. Okay guys, so Citrus Wash all-purpose cleaner. We've used it on a variety of areas around the vehicle. As you can see, useful for paintwork, engine bays, door shuts, any of the areas that are really grubby. If you've got an area that you want to clean and you're not sure of a product to use, chances are Citrus Wash will do a pretty good job of cleaning that area. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you again soon.